Brock the Parrot chronicles his days in Wilbur's pet shop, ignored by the cats and annoyed by the shoppers. What's with everyone asking him if Polly wants a cracker anyway? When parrot friend TikTok lets him know he's for sale and may have to go home with one of those wacky characters, Brock barely has time to adjust to the news before he is indeed purchased by a goofy ukulele-playing fellow named Todd. Things between parrot and owner get off to a rocky start. Brock is less than pleased with the new living arrangement, and so is Todd. Todd refuses to understand Brock, and Brock refuses to help Todd understand. Both decide that the other isn't very bright. But when disaster is narrowly avoided, they see that having a new and different friend can be wonderful. This hilarious story of friendship and compassion is sure to make your day. So let's read Memoirs of a Parrot by Devin Scillian, illustrated by Tim Browers. Day 1. Wilbur's pet shop is closed today. Good. No rude people staring into my cage. I just sit and chit-chat with TikTok. We're the only parrots here and apparently the only talkers. The dogs just yap all day. The fish, they don't even try to say anything. I think the cats might be able to talk, but they never do. Day 2. Wilbur's pet shop is open today. Bad. The place is packed. Lots of strange people, and they're all talkers. They seem to think my name is Polly, and that I want a cracker. No and no. Day 3. What is with these people? They keep asking, Polly want a cracker? That is terrible grammar, by the way. TikTok says I should just try to enjoy the attention. Please, I'd rather gargle a pine cone. Day 4. I'm exhausted. Today a guy spent an hour asking me my name. I kept telling him, Brock. I said, Brock, Brock, Brock. He looked very disappointed. I guess he wanted it to be something else, like Polly. Day 5. He's back. His name is Todd, and he won't leave me alone. TikTok says one day I may have to go home with Todd. Yes, apparently I'm for sale. That's a heck of a thing to find out. Go home with Todd? Please, I'd rather eat a pile of stink berries. Day 6. TikTok was right. Todd handed Wilbur some money and is taking me home. This is terrible. TikTok says I need to keep an open mind and that it would be very nice. Maybe Todd lives in a beautiful rainforest with lots of bananas and butterflies. So that would be cool. Day 7. Nope. Todd lives in a tiny house near a freeway. No bananas, no butterflies, and guess what he does first? He gives me a cracker. cracker. Seriously? Even worse, Todd is learning to play the ukulele. He sounds horrible. Do I have to stay here? Please. I'd rather kiss a rattlesnake. Day 8. Todd gave me another cracker today, and just as I was about to throw it back at him, I realized there's a toaster right next to my cage. When Todd wasn't looking, I dropped the cracker into the toaster and then snatched it out of midair when it popped back up. These things are actually pretty good when they're warm. Day 9. Todd came in today with another cracker. He said, "Say thank you." So I did. "Crop," I said. "No," he said very quickly. "Thank you. Thank you." So that's it. He wants me to speak his language. Fat chance. "Crop," I said. He sighed and sat down to play his ukulele. Day 10. Here we go again. Todd has his language and I have mine. Only it's worse now because he's decided my name is Echo. "Echo," he says. "Brock," I say. "Echo? Brock? Echo? Brock?" This goes on for hours. Dude, give it up. Day 11. Today, Todd took me back to the pet shop. While he complained about me to Wilbur, I complained about him to TikTok. "It's awful," I said. "He won't even learn my name." "But you've got a nice cage," asked TikTok. "Yes, very nice," I said. "And he keeps you warm and dry." "Yep," I said, "warm and dry." "And he feeds you?" Yes," I said. "Toasted crackers, some figs, pretty good." TikTok says, "He sounds nice. Maybe he's just not that bright. He could still be your friend." Please, I'd rather have a sweater made of ants. Day 12. So get this. After 2 hours of Todd's English lessons, he says, "Echo, maybe you're just not that bright." What? Not that bright? I speak 17 languages. I can name all the moons of Jupiter. I can count to a zillion backwards. Twice. Todd said, "It's okay, Echo. You can still be my friend. Keep your fingers away from my beak, pal. That's all I can say." Day 13. Todd gave up pretty quickly today. It's pretty frustrating. He's learning his ukulele, but he really doesn't want to learn his parrot. His loss. I'm not saying anything. My beak is sealed. Day 14. I'm sitting here eating a fig and listening to Todd play. He's actually getting pretty good. I know. Music and figs. How can I complain? But Todd either needs to learn to talk like me, or he can take me right back to Wilbur. I could explain this to him, but please, I'd rather set my feathers on fire. Day 15. Good heavens, I nearly set my feathers on fire. Today changes everything. Todd went to bed last night and I decided to toast a cracker. I waited for it to pop up and waited and waited, but it never did. Suddenly, a lot of smoke started pouring out of the toaster, and there was no keeping quiet any longer. Todd! 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 I hollered. He woke up, smelled the smoke, and just ran out of the house. Sure, save yourself, I thought. The toaster just kept belching smoke into my cage. Suddenly, Todd came running back into the kitchen. I thought he was coming back for his ukulele, but I was wrong. He came back for me. Todd reached right into the smoke and unplugged the toaster. He grabbed my cage, took me outside, and started fanning fresh air into my face. He saved me. I couldn't believe it, but he saved me. He pulled me out of the cage and said, "Echo, are you okay? Are you okay?" What else could I do? "Thank you," I said. He looked at me and leaned closer. "What?" "Echo says thank you," I said. Tears welled up in his eyes and a huge smile took over his sweet, goofy face. "You're welcome. You're so very welcome," he cried. Then Todd said, "You're smarter than I thought." I said, "You're a lot smarter than I thought." He wiped the soot off my face. That was nice. He sat me on his shoulder and we watched the moon come up while we waited for the smoke to clear. Things are different for Todd and me. He's still playing the ukulele, but now he plays and I sing in his language, and that's okay. He can still be my friend, my best friend. Todd and me, we're staying together for keeps. Please, there's nothing I'd rather do.
Hello, friends. I hope you enjoyed our story today. If you did, please click like and share this book with your friends. And don't forget to look for all the other books by Storytime with Lorelei. See you next time. Bye for now.